I hope she knows that really hurt. And why does she sound like a real ink aficionado? Maybe I should tell her all she has to do is sing, but every time I try to open my mouth,